Today we are reposting this very old stool and using 4 main steps to make it into modern piece of furniture. It may seem that I'm struggling a lot with removing the textile, and this is because I am. This is the most time-consuming part where I used all the tools and strength I found. Let's appreciate for a moment my super cool outfit. This stool has metal structure with springs which were secured with heavy-duty nails. Those were super difficult to remove. On top of that, there was a fluffy, very soft stuffing and very crusty old foam. I tried so hard to remove those springs, but I needed help from my husband. The only thing left to remove is the top fabric, which looks a lot like a burlap. I found a very professional technique where you grab the fabric with pliers, twist and pull. But hey, it worked for the most part. I don't like the red tones of the legs. That is why the next step is to sand them down. For this, I used the power tool to remove as much as possible from the old paint. Before the third step, I glued well one of the legs because it's a little bit loose. It won't be visible because of the fabric on top. This is my favorite part, staining the legs. I only had oak color and at first I wasn't sure if I liked the color, but once it was dry, it was super nice. And the part where the old paint is a little bit visible gives an interesting effect. Applying a very thick plywood board on top is a step I missed filming, but it's crucial to make it stool. To cover the stool, we use textile tubes in brick color. It's like making a pie, but weaving it pretty tight. No gaps showing. To secure the tubes, I use textile glue. To make the stool more complete, we wrapped tubes all around the stool which covered this fluffy, puffy things which were sticking out from the tubes. So with this step complete, the stool is ready.